Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch. That is www.vipcrossstitch.com. Now, I want to tell you a bit more about VIP Cross Stitch, but before I do that, I want to tell you this unboxing is the parcel that I thought was gone. It took a very long to get here. So we've got some Christmas goodies here, and I'm going to show you, start collecting it for next year. It's very, very cute. Now, VIP Cross Stitch, they specialize in cross stitch, but guess what? They do embroidery as well now, and I will soon show a few to you. Embroidery, and if you want to join me on Embroidery Fridays and we learn together. Now, they do cross stitch and they do embroidery now. They sell all the cross stitch crafts and accessories. They can make any photo or picture for you into a custom. So go and look at their customs. They come in different sizes. And if you want to save a little bit more at VIP Cross Stitch, you use my discount code, which is RELLA10 for extra 10% off. Also, if you buy for over $55, you get free shipping. Isn't that spectacular? Now, that is not all. Look on the screen. They're still running their 15% off sale. The code for that is VCS15. And on top of that, you get a free blind box if you order for over $39. But remember to add that free blind box to your cart. Now we've all said and done, let's have a look at this. So let's have a look at this cuties first. It's little hangy things that you put on a Christmas tree. You can have fun with the children or just on your own. You can do any pattern you like. I think they're very, very cute. Just want to see if they're all the same. They are all the same. They are Christmas stars. How many is here? I should have counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 of them. So it is like plywood, and it looks like that. And of course you hang it by that hole, and you work any pattern you prefer there. So it's fun. It's just a fun thing to do. You get, let me take it out. Mine I'll put away for next Christmas. Do it with Baby. The whole family can actually participate. So with it you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 skins of thread. Look at that. Look at the beautiful colors. And I promise you, this is not expensive. So it's such a fun little activity. The whole family can sit in and do one and have fun, and just have fun. You can even make fun and make little patterns there and put like I will put a S or a A or like M for Mike or Alex and Abby or S. Just have fun with it, I think it will be fun. I don't know about you. Tell me what you think. Tell me in the comments what you think. Now that was the 10 stars with the thread. I'm going to show you now. They put plastic needles and then a little ribbon for every one you make to hang on. And then the plastic needles, there's 4. Very cute product. Very fun activity. I think it's superb. Alright. So while I pack this away, I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please be so kind to subscribe. I will appreciate it very much. You help me out by doing that, and you motivate me to make more videos like this for you. Also, hit the like button and leave me a comment. I will personally get back to you. Alright, so let's see what's happening here. Okay, that first, that's it. Okay, so with your spring, when you get an envelope like this with the green on, what does it mean? Egyptian cotton. So you get a reusable plastic envelope with a press button in the back with a little barcoded sticker in the front with the product code and number. Now here's the Beautifull. He is too cute. He's got a parrot. His hat is very colorful. Look at all the flowers, sunflowers. Alright, so he is 16 count, 55 by 55 centimeters, and he's so lovely. He's just pretty. Excuse me. Okay. There's the pattern. It is a partial and it's all full stitch. Now on the back, let's see. It is 277 stitches by 277 stitches. We are working with 89 colors and it's full stitch. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 mixed stitches. He is such a cutie pie, right? Also with your spring you get a double side printed instruction leaflet. Let me pack this away. And there we go. Now what I like about spring is they do put the Ada in a separate bag. I like that because if this gets ruined, it's not a stamped cross stitch anymore. So this is amazing. I can see the quality, white bright Ada, and look at the printing. It is fabulous. So we are serged all the way around for our convenience. The spring brand is on top, 100-year symbol, but they're older now, and a name and the code, and it's 277 by 277 stitches. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. Now all the symbols are printed very clearly on your Ada. It's 89 colors, but remember on your pattern it also corresponds with your Ada. He is fabulous. Very colorful, very fabulous. I love him. Alright, so let me show you this printing. Now, look at this. It is 16 count, right? Now look at this. Look at this. You can see every little, now I must get it to, there you go. No confusion here. Excellent, right? Okay, so let me show you the whole thing one more time. Look at that. He is a little sweetie pie. Very, very cute. I love him. He's actually so amazing. Very, very beautiful little stitch. It's not a little stitch, it's big. But it is nice. Excellent product. Well done. Alrighty then. So, let me just pack this away. Let's have a look at the beautiful Egyptian cotton threads. They are superb. Oh, they are beautiful. The colors. Alright, so we've got 2 spring needles attached to the color card. There they are. And this is 1 to 30. And remember, it is Egyptian cotton. Look at it. Pretty, 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 right? I adore it. And then we're going over to 31 to 60. Okay, so let's see. Very, very nice. Oh, why is the light blinding? The light is so blinding. Right, and the last one, we've got 61 to 89. Oh, me and these numbers. Oy. Look at that. I want to show you nicely. I think it is fabulous. Tell me what you think in the comment box. It's amazing. Let me show you together. Look at all these colors together. Lord, they're so bright and beautiful. I adore it. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Alright, while I pack away, I just want to thank VIP Cross Stitch. Amazing products like normal. Thank you so, so much. I love it. Then to you watching me, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I appreciate you more than you know. Till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.